Well, a couple of months ago, no one sensible would have thought that 6th place was a realistic target for Chelsea. As someone once said, it is now. Even the away win drought has been broken thanks to Sunday at Forest. Another one here at Brighton tonight, and a European finish is absolutely on.
Start the game well, Caicedo.
Lovely little layoff from him, a glancing blow for Jackson. Madueke. Nice shimmy, good shot, and he nearly squeezed it in. Down sharply, Bart Verbruggen. A boost too for the newly coiffured Moisés Caicedo, who also earned Brighton a huge fee, indeed a record fee. Newly peroxided for this evening, panto villain nonsense. Clear and obvious error.
Maybe I've been done as well. It looked like it was Cucurella's touch.
You could totally see why he gave it. You really can. It's Cucurella. Oh, brilliant goal! Is there anything he can't do? That cross has just been hammered at him. Cole Palmer steers in the most remarkable header. Chelsea are in front. The boys' magic. End of. Proof of what I just said, the booing doesn't work. It's pumped him up. Caicedo started well. Well, a slightly odd, very lively, or a strewn half, with lots of good football in it too, in a funny sort of way. Brighton 0, Chelsea 1 at the break. Real danger here, 2-0! Fabulous goal. Gusto picking out Nkunku, and he celebrates in front of the Chelsea fans. 2-goal cushion. The push for Europe looking even more likely now.
Brilliant, fantastic combination down the right-hand side. And we get the cross and the finish to match.
you know what happens when they go and see. Oh, good ball. They've scored. They've got 3 minutes to get another. It's him again, Danny Welbeck.
Yeah, it's a well-constructed goal. They kept pushing. Couple of massive defensive moments there. Thiago Silva as the last touch for Chelsea.
Well, the way these two play, their meetings are always likely to entertain. This was another cracker. VAR for good and bad, intervening. Reece James' red card, an infuriating block on an otherwise nice landscape. Cucurella and Caicedo victorious. Sam Parkin, great game, great result. Back-to-back away wins, 6th place.
Tough game. Asked a lot of questions in that second half, but still look like such a threat going forward.
The Blues one step closer to Europe, going 6th with a game to play as it stands, needing only a point on the final day to be sure. Brighton 1, Chelsea 2.